Good morning, students. In today's class, we can discuss the chapter number 11 Biotechnology Principles and Processes. Very important chapter. In this unit, two chapters will cover. This chapter nearly will cover like 10 marks. Okay, one 3 marks question, one 5 marks question will be compulsory. Okay, first I will give introduction about this topic. What are the things we are going to study in this topic means we are going to study what is meant by biotechnology, principles of biotechnology, and processes, various processes about RDNA technology, PCR technique, bioreactors. Those things we are going to dealing. Okay, first let us see what is meant by biotechnology. Bio is nothing but life. Technology means, as you know, all technology. Okay, the world is going to move towards technology only nowadays. A life which is applied on a technology for its human welfare, for improvement of women, it is called as biotechnology. Here see they are given on a particular definition is the scientific manipulation. Manipulation means multiplication of living organism. For example, any organism. For example, if you take bacterial organism, from bacterial organisms for pesticides, by this biotechnology process, they have discovered BT cotton. In cotton plant, the genes is going to introduced, that is Bacillus thuringiensis. For what purpose? For to control insects purpose. Is the scientific manipulation of living organisms, especially at the molecular genetic level, to produce new products such as hormones, vaccines, or monoclonal antibodies for any huge production. Okay, they are going taking from the living organisms and that will be manipulated in laboratory technology. They go with this is called as biotechnology. And who is the father of biotechnology? Carl Erke, the scientist called as Carl Erke. He was the scientist for biotechnology. Here they are given one example. The use of living cells, bacteria, to make useful product, pesticide crops, or to produce new kinds of medicine. With the help of bacterial cell, they are going to produce pest resistance crops, which means that in that crop, these genes will be introduced. When insect come and attack to that crop means that insect is immediately dying and also producing some medicines. Nothing but it through genetic level, the technology will be controlled. Next, principles. There are two major principles, 2 marks asking students, very important one. Principles of biotechnology. Nowadays we can see the modern biotechnology. The world is very fast. Okay, for example, for the production of vaccines also, for the pandemic disease that is coronavirus, the biotechnology is going to play a major role, efficient role. We need huge production. If you see the population, 140 plus crores of India. If you consider world, there will be more population. So that for huge production, they are going for biotechnology. They are using several parameters to manipulate the product. Here, mainly the product will be manipulated by taking the living cells through genetic engineering, maintenance of sterile condition. There are two principles majorly. So one is genetic engineering, maintenance of a sterile condition. What is meant by genetic engineering method? In vitro manipulation of gene. In vitro manipulation means in a laboratory condition, there will be manipulation of genes, multiplication of gene to get desired product or character is called genetic engineering. As I told already, this process will be performed in laboratory condition where genes will be manipulated to get a desired product. That is called as genetic engineering. If we see one definition, that's enough. And next principle is maintenance of sterile condition. Means whatever the desired gene we are isolating now, that will be maintained under sterile condition. Sterile condition is will be maintained in laboratory only, which means that maintaining perfect that laboratory temperature, okay, contamination free, not to attack any microbe to that cell. If there will be attack, means there will be contamination is going to take place, so that microbial contamination free, that will be performed maintenance of sterile condition. Ambient chemical engineering process to enable growth of only the desired microbe eukaryotic cell in large quantities. Ambient, nothing but type of chemical engineering processes to enable growth. Next, what are the conceptual development of principle of genetic engineering? Means usually they go for ideas. A sexual reproduction preserves the genetic identity of species. First step, sexual reproduction creates variations and unique recombinations of genetic makeup. Traditional hybridization procedures used in plant and animal breeding lead to inclusion of undesirable genes along with desired genes. Some ideas they took for genetic engineering process, they're taking a sexual reproduction, traditional hybridization, nothing but crossing between the plants and as well as animals. A technique of genetic engineering which includes create a recombinant DNA. Through this genetic engineering method, they are going to create a recombinant DNA. It is also called as rDNA. What is meant by rDNA means, first we are isolating one desired gene. Desired gene is nothing but which contains good characters. That desired gene is said to be combined in the plasmid. Plasmid are the double chromosomal structure. That plasmid is going to carry the gene. That is called as rDNA. Use of gene cloning and gene transfer. Next, what is meant by gene cloning? Which means that getting identical copies of gene, several identical copies, which means that when we put a Xerox sheet, if we take the Xerox sheet, means we will get the same sheet, no, like that same identical copies will be getting in huge quantities. That is called as gene cloning. Gene transfer is nothing but transfer of gene from one organism to another organisms. This is very important. 3 marks or 2 marks it may be asked. Tools of rDNA technology. What are the tools we can see? Enzymes, cloning vectors, host cell, bioreactors. Let us see this. Enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but, okay, they are going to they are made up of amino acids. They are going to cut your DNA molecule. There are two types of enzymes: restriction nucleases, DNA ligase. Restriction nucleases are nothing but shortly called as REN. They act as molecular scissors. Scissors are nothing but to cut the DNA molecule at specific sites. Scissors to cut DNA at specific site, that is called as REN. Which means that, for example, this is the DNA. DNA is double stranded. It contains nitrogen bases. For example, A, T, See, TAG. This is one site. Exactly at this site where DNA is going to cutting. That is called as restriction nucleases. Next, DNA ligases. Whatever the cutted DNA is said to be joining the ends of two DNA molecules. It helps in joining the ends of two DNA molecules. Next is cloning vectors. This is another tool for recombinant DNA technology. What are cloning vectors? These are like vehicles. It is also called as vehicles to transfer gene of one organism into the another organisms. They are said to be carried to plasmids, cosmids, or bacteriophages used as cloning vectors. Cloning vectors are nothing but they act as vehicles to transfer gene of one organism to the another organism. That gene will be carried in these cloning vectors. These are examples: plasmids, cosmids. Okay. Next, host cell. Host cell in the sense where the desired gene or rDNA molecule is said to be carried in host cell, the cell into which rDNA is transferred in order to produce multiple copies. See, one rDNA molecule we prepared. That one is said to be carried. No, we need multiple copies. No, of gene of interest. Usually E. coli are used as host cell. And final one is bioreactor. Is a specially designed container used to carry out biological reaction under controlled condition. What is meant by bioreactor? Those are the large vessels. They are mainly designed to carry out various biological reactions under controlled means laboratory conditions. Okay, hope you all understood, students. Okay, in this chapter what I explained, just concentrate on tools of RDNA technology and principles of genetic engineering. These two questions are very important. In next coming class we go with REN, restriction nuclease enzymes. Okay, thank you.